Hey guys, welcome to DelphStack. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a soundboard to your Discord server. Open your main server where you want to add the soundboard. On the top left, click the server name and go to Server Settings. Open the Soundboard section and click Upload Sound to browse your file. Select a sound file and trim it to your preferred length if needed. Give the sound a name. Select an emoji and adjust the sound volume. If the sound is too long, trim it again to meet the time limit. Trim the sound to a few seconds and click Upload. Go back to your main server and open a voice channel. Click Open Soundboard to view your uploaded sound. Click the sound to play it in the voice channel. This is how you add a soundboard to your Discord server. If this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.